This is a fun, easy, quick, beautiful painting technique you can do too. So I just finished doing some coasters, and I've got these great colors, yellow, orange, purple, blue, and white. And I'm going to use it because I have them left over. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. I'm going to pour it out and let's see what happens. Check out my description area. It has so much information. It has links to my Amazon shop where you can find my hairdryer and the paints that I use, plus a whole other assortment of information. You can buy prints, how to contact me, all kinds. So check it out. I love the results. It is so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant and they work so well together. I did mix the colors with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. I added water to the white only, and this is the result. You can do it. It's an easy technique and it's so much fun to do. I have so many other pictures for you to see, so keep watching. I'm going to be showing you the exact paint I used up next. So this is the paint that I used, that was the leftover paint. I just want to show you the brands that I used: Titanium White, Artist Loft, and the Liquitex Cadmium Yellow DQ, Hebia Studio, the Orange Cadmium Hue, and the Liquitex Dioxane Purple. And that's what was used in this painting. And I missed the light blue, which is Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.